Hi everyone, attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday. This week I'm answering the question of my ex doesn't agree to our kids' after school activities. What can I do? Okay, so this is one of those situations where you first need to know if you're sharing joint legal custody, joint physical custody, or sole legal custody, sole physical custody, or primary physical custody with one parent over the other, because that can impact the decision making that is made about which activities your children should be enrolled in. But on top of the decision, you also have the practical concerns, because some kids' activities you could enroll your children in that would probably never impact the other parent whatsoever. For example, if you're a primary custodian and your kids go every other weekend to their other parent's house and you want to enroll them in Girl Scouts, and Girl Scouts always happens on Tuesday nights, well, then, technically, yes, you need their permission to do that if you share joint legal custody, but at the same time, that's never going to impact their parenting time. And so it's probably unlikely that a court would deny that kind of request. But if you're a parent that shares week on, week off time, regardless of what kind of legal custody that you have to be very concerned about scheduling extracurricular activities that impede on the other parent's parenting time, because there's just a practical concern. It might make their life a challenge. It may be too hard based on what their routine is with the kids during their time for them to, get them to ballet class at 6 o'clock every Thursday. So really, when you're thinking about talking about extracurricular activities, first you need to start with the practical considerations, and then you need to start with the discussion about an agreement for what you guys really want for your kids. And when you're talking about extracurricular activities in particular, I really think it's important to remember, who are they for? They're for your children, right? But if you and your ex have been separated or divorced for quite some time and you're not seeing eye to eye on these kinds of practical everyday decisions, it might be a good time to check in with an attorney and see if it's worthwhile to bring a motion to the court to try to make some changes to your court order so that you can have some clarity about what your child needs, what you can achieve for your child practically to make sure that they have the best possible childhood that you can give them. Thanks, everyone. If you have any questions about this video or any of our other videos on our YouTube channel, please give our office a call. We're here to help.